Alright, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to withdraw money from your Whop account. Here's exactly how to do it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Let's get started. First, you want to make sure you actually have a Whop account. If you don't have one yet, I suggest you to create one. Now, after you log in, you want to click your profile icon on the left side. Then click on balance. And over here, now you want to click set up Whop payments. It's going to ask you to select your country. And after that, it'll send you over to Stripe. So this is Whop's payment partner. On Stripe, you just want to enter your email, your phone number, and follow the steps to finish setting up. But if you already have a Stripe account, you can use the same email. If not, just make a new one. During the process, Stripe will also send you a text to verify your number. Just enter the code and finish everything up. Once that's done, you're all set. Alright, once your Stripe is connected, go back to the balance section. Now you should see a button that says withdraw to bank. And if anything went wrong during the setup, the system will let you know and give you the option to fix it. But if everything looks good, you just click withdraw to bank right here and your money's gonna send out. And that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out guys, and I'll see you in the next one.